Join me as I take on Geeta Kasud's core fit upper body workout and see if I can keep up with her killer routine. Having a strong upper body is essential for overall fitness and can greatly impact our daily lives. Whether it's carrying groceries, playing with our kids, or simply having better posture, a fit upper body can make all the difference. That's why I'm excited to share Geeta Kasud's core fit upper body workout with you today, which is specifically designed to target this critical area. One of the biggest challenges many of us face when trying to strengthen our upper body is simply finding the time. We're all busy, and it's easy to push exercise to the back burner. But the truth is, even small amounts of exercise can make a huge impact. Another challenge is staying motivated. It's easy to get bored with the same old routine or feel intimidated by more complex exercises. Lack of knowledge about proper form and technique can also hold us back from achieving our fitness goals. Adding to these challenges is the fact that many of us have different fitness levels and goals. Some of us may be complete beginners, while others may be more advanced. Finding a workout that caters to our individual needs can be tough. And let's be real, some of us may just be plain lazy or lack the energy to get started. Fortunately, Geeta Kasud's core fit upper body workout addresses all of these challenges and more. By incorporating a combination of exercises that target different muscle groups, we can see significant improvements in our overall fitness and well-being. The workout includes exercises like push-ups, rows, and shoulder presses, all of which are designed to engage our core and improve our overall upper body strength. Each exercise has modifications for different fitness levels, so whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can customize the workout to suit your needs. For example, if you're just starting out, you can start with knee push-ups and gradually move to full push-ups as you build strength and confidence. Let's take a closer look at one of the key exercises in the workout, the dumbbell row. This exercise is amazing for targeting our lat muscles and improving our posture. To do it, start by holding a dumbbell in each hand, then bend your knees slightly and lean forward at the hips. From there, lift the dumbbells to your sides until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. Be sure to keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the exercise. For an added challenge, you can try lifting one dumbbell at a time or using heavier weights. As you can see, proper form and technique are crucial for getting the most out of this exercise and preventing injury. By focusing on slow, controlled movements and engaging our core, we can ensure we're targeting the right muscles and avoiding unnecessary strain. Remember, the key to seeing results is consistency and patience. By incorporating Geeta Kasud's core fit upper body workout into your daily routine, you can start seeing improvements in your overall fitness and well-being in no time. Whether you're looking to build strength, increase flexibility, or simply feel more confident in your own skin, this workout has something to offer. Thanks for joining me on this fitness journey today. If you have a favorite upper body exercise, be sure to comment below and let me know. And if you're looking for more workout inspiration, be sure to check out my other fitness videos on this channel.